friends, it's Mindy with Patriot Health Alliance, and I have a super special message for you today. We're kicking off our Summer Sweepstakes Spectacular, and you're invited. I'm talking about a red-hot summer celebration with 10 lucky winners and a total prize value of over $2,300. But you don't even have to be lucky to win, because everyone's a winner this time. We have something special for those who don't take home our main prize. The grand prize winner will take home a full year's supply of Patriot Power Protein to power up your days, build new strength, and support your muscles, heart, brain, and so much more. And maybe you'll even share with your friends and family too for free. All you need is a little luck and you could be on your way towards a bounty of health goodies that'll carry you through the summer and beyond. Patriot Power Protein is the only protein of its kind and a formula you won't see in any store, for it combines highly absorbent collagen for your joints, skin, bones, and more. With richly nutritious and easy to digest lentine plant protein for amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, detoxifying chlorophyll, and so much more. And the advanced cardio and energy support of L-carnitine, something you won't find in any other protein, I'll promise you that. When you put it all together, it's a rich, creamy, and deliciously nutritious way to add the protein you need to your day. Perfect in a smoothie or just scoop, shake, and enjoy it on its own. Does it work? Well, let Stephen and Julie tell you what they think.
The protein has been my favorite. The protein is actually maintaining lean muscle in my body. I think the protein itself gives me a place where I'm maintaining tone in my body and recovery in my body, and actually I noticed that body fat has come off.
So I finally started taking the protein when he said, this protein works. This is not like any of those whey proteins I've dumped money into all these years. Something about this protein works.
I would take the protein before my workout, and I can go in there and bust it. In my old age, I can bring it, and it's because of that.
I know that the protein is really helping my skin. I think everyone should start taking collagen when they're 30. Why didn't we start doing this when we were 30? I don't know.
Before, I was taking a whey protein, and I wasn't getting any energy out of it at all. I would put belly fat on right here. So there's nothing that really measures up to this. I stay leaner. I'm not putting body fat on. I'm recovering quicker, and I'm maintaining better.
Finally, I think, yep, this stuff is really working. And so you have to give it a chance. That's the whole thing. Because in this life, we're given one body.
One thing we can control
This is
is
the
our
only
body.
thing we can control is our body.
Right.
See, I told you, they love Patriot Power Protein, and you will too, especially if you're bringing home that grand prize. A full year's worth of Patriot Power Protein for free. That's not the only prize though, as I mentioned. 9 other lucky winners will grab a month's supply of protein, plus a bonus bottle of Patriot Vital 4, our core nutrient formula that targets the vitamins and minerals most people miss out on. And remember, everyone who enters gets something special too. So even if you don't take home the grand prize, you've still got 9 more chances to boost your health and change your life for free, and a guaranteed prize on us. All you have to do to enter is follow the link in the description below. When you join the Patriot Health Alliance Text Club, you're automatically entered. And let me tell you, that's a prize in itself, because it gives you front of the line instant access to insider deals and first dib announcements on new products and holiday events, including an early bird jump on everyone else for our Independence Day special. It's right around the corner, and it's one you won't want to miss. Plus, you'll have plenty of ways to throw your hat in the ring, extra entries for sharing this amazing celebration with your friends. With summer heating up and a chance to get back to normal, you're going to need all the strength and energy you can get. And the best way to fortify your body is with sound nutrition, especially when it's delicious and something you'll crave. It's like a tune-up for your body, and we want you to get it for free. Imagine winning that grand prize. You'll be bringing home a full year of fortifying protein, enough for the entire family and then some. For strong muscles, a healthy heart, and even support for glowing skin and hair. So you'll not only feel good, you'll be looking good too. One lucky winner gets the big prize, plus 9 other winners grab amazing prizes that total over $1,100. And every one of them will be thanking their lucky stars they took just a minute to join the Text Club, to leap into the winner's circle. And no matter what, everyone grabs early bird access to the Independence Day event and special savings on Patriot Power Protein just by entering. Will it be you? Will you be at the front of the line or in the winner's circle too? Let's hope so, because I want you to have your strongest, healthiest, most rejuvenating year yet. It's time to get our lives back and fill each day with more life than ever before. Now, all the details about how to enter are in the description below. And don't forget, there's even ways to gain bonus entries too. We don't want to celebrate without you. Jump down to the link below and join the party. What are you waiting for? Get your entries in now and good luck!